I made these premium product ads with free AI tools. If you follow the steps I show you today, you too can make your very own product ads for any product of your choice. Step 1 is all about creating the ad concepts. Yes, this is very important. That's where you must start because every brand has its own messaging and tone. So you want to make sure that your ad aligns with the tone and messaging of the brand. So copy out that prompt and adjust it to fit your own brand or your message. For this exercise, I'm testing this out for different kinds of businesses, services, products, I'm just testing it out. So you can see here I have a list of 10 different businesses and brands, and of course you can see their different styles as well. So what I did was I asked my AI to give me the brand styles and their messaging, and then of course break each of them into 12 seconds video concepts, and then I would vet it and see which one aligns with me mostly. Okay, so what I'm going to do is once it's done generating this 10, I will choose the best out of it, and then we will test out the concept so that you can see that this is actually real and it is doable. So for this particular step, yes, I am using ChatGPT, but you can go ahead and use any of the AI models that you are comfortable brainstorming with. So let me point out here that what we are doing currently is not different from when we create our stories for our films, right? Here, what we are doing is we are asking the AI to pitch us, concepts. Okay, so that's what's happening here. And then once you are satisfied with any of the concepts you want to work with or work on, you ask it to break it into cinematic styles for you. As you can see what I'm doing here, so I picked a style from the 10 suggestions, and now it has broken it into cinematic styles for me. Now that takes us to the next step, which is the fact that we need to create our AI influencer. So for this step, I'm using the Gemini AI, and yes, you can see my already created influencer here. But yeah, she doesn't look like she needs money. She looks like she's a boss of her own and she's got this money. Well, we want a promo look, right? So we're going to change her suit to a gown, and then we'll wrap that hair up, okay, to give it that sleek look, right? So we're going to do the ponytail for this look. Now remember that people who are purchasing premium products always want you to look like you don't need their money. So this look actually fits it. Okay, so once we are done, we go over to InShot and change the image from the box or square image to a landscape format, because that is how we're going to be creating the video. Okay, this step is non-negotiable to create a cinematic looking video. Now that takes us to step 3, where we have to create the video. Yes, we import the image that we just generated into our Grok AI, the imagine feature. And of course you can see it already created a default image, but what we want to do is go back to ChatGPT where we generated the cinematic styles. We copy those cinematic styles and then come here, impute it into the redo option. You can see that second by second we already have that, so we just impute it and wait for the AI to work its magic, and you can see our first scene is created. Yes, so this is how we're going to go through the whole step by step, every scene of this video. We're going to do that. We'll go through scene by scene. As you can see here, you can see me doing that. I go back to ChatGPT, copy out the scene by scene, and then I come back to Grok AI, click the redo button, and impute my prompt. So if I do not get exactly what I'm looking for at the instant, I can always impute the same prompt again into the redo option until I get something that looks visually appealing for me. So as you can see, I do that over and over until I am done with the whole 12 seconds of video. So Grok gives you 6 seconds every time you impute a prompt. So for me, I am going for 12 seconds. So I will do this, like 3 or 4 times. But of course, it depends on the output. If it comes out looking good, then I'm good. But if not, well, we keep doing it, we keep using the same prompt. But then look at this, I do this throughout until I am done with the list. Okay, and then I go into my video editing tool and match it together. Now let's see everything that I created using this simple workflow that I just shared with you.